Welcome to your free trial with Incredibuild, the leading platform for faster and more efficient build processes. Incredibuild accelerates your builds by caching what it can and distributing compilation tasks across an acceleration grid of multiple machines. This grid utilizes additional CPUs to speed up your build. Our streamlined free trial will get you up and running in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Start by downloading the free trial installer from our website or through your welcome email. Double-click the executable to run the installer wizard, and the installation process will run automatically. Once installation is complete, click Launch Incredibuild. This will take you to the Incredibuild login screen. Use the default username and password provided in the installer finish screen to log in. After logging in, you'll see the Getting Started page of Incredibuild Manager on your coordinator. Here you can view and manage all of your processes. To enjoy real acceleration power, let's begin by scaling your compute grid. Incredibuild can use idle compute power of machines in your network without disrupting their processes to further speed up your builds. These are called helper machines. To connect additional machines to your acceleration grid, go to the Scale Your Incredibuild Grid section. Here you'll be able to generate an invite link to share with your teammates or use on additional machines that you'd like to add to your grid. When the invite link is accessed, the recipient will land on a special page to download the Incredibuild Agent installer. After the installer is downloaded and run on the recipient's machine, it will automatically appear as an Incredibuild agent, helping build processes in your grid, and will be added to the agent list in your installation's coordinator. This new agent can then initiate and accelerate its own builds using the shared grid. Once connected, these additional machines will seamlessly contribute to speeding up builds without interrupting their local processes. Additionally, when running their own builds, these machines can contribute to Incredibuild's shared caching, which may accelerate team builds even further. Ready to start running your own builds? Back in the Getting Started area of your manager, go to the Run Builds section. Here you'll find specific instructions on launching builds with Incredibuild acceleration tailored to your environment. Now, you can explore the build observability and management tools offered in your Incredibuild Coordination Manager. Here, you can monitor builds across your grid, spot and address bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation for maximum efficiency. For more info on the manager, please watch the Incredibuild Observability Tools video on this channel. Now you're ready to build faster with Incredibuild. To learn more about accelerating your builds, visit the Incredibuild documentation portal or reach out to one of our experts.